Today I'm unboxing an Elna 780. Some of you might know that I work at a store, a fabric store, but we also sell, it's actually a sewing machine store that we sell fabric. We have 7 different brands, and this just happens to be my favorite sewing machine, Elna 780. Lots of goodies in here. So when you first open up, you get Stitch Composer software, an instructional DVD, which is always good to have. Of course, your owner's manual, all those goodies. Accessories, so you have all these great feet and accessories, and I'm going to do a separate video on all of these accessories that the machine comes with, which is one of the reasons why I really love this machine, because I don't have to go out and buy extra feed or accessories. It comes pretty much with everything that I'm ever going to need. Your foot control, and of course some packing material, a extension table, which always comes in handy. Your cutting, and isn't she a beauty? I love how nicely they package everything. Elna Janome are sister companies, and I love my little S9, which is why I bought this one, just to have a standalone sewing machine and have the best of both worlds. So stay tuned as I show you all of the accessories as well as some functions of the machine. We'll see you soon.